In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge layers in Adobe Acrobat. First, let's start by opening the PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is an essential step because it allows you to access all the features available for editing your document. Once you have Adobe Acrobat Pro open, locate the PDF file you wish to edit on your computer. Click on it to select it. Then simply double-click to open the file. You will see the PDF displayed in full view, providing you with a clear interface to work with. This initial action is crucial as it sets the stage for all the subsequent edits you will make. Next, go to the top menu bar and click on View. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, navigate to Show/Hide. Hover over this option, and another submenu will unfold, guiding you to navigation panes. This is where you will find Layers, which is the key to managing your document's structure. Selecting Layers opens the Layers panel on your screen, where you can see all the layers present in your PDF. This step is important because accessing the Layers panel is essential for merging or flattening layers effectively. In the Layers panel, right-click anywhere on the blank space. This action will prompt a context menu to appear with several options. You need to look closely at this menu for options like Merge Layers or Flatten Layers. It's crucial to note that the availability of these options can vary depending on the specific content of your PDF. Sometimes you may find that Merge Layers is rare or not available. This could depend on how the layers were created or structured within the document. Understanding this aspect helps you know what to expect and prepares you for the next steps. If you see the option for Merge Layers, click on it. This action combines multiple layers into one. You will notice that the layers are now unified, simplifying your document structure. Merging layers is beneficial as it reduces file complexity and can improve performance. It streamlines the editing process for future updates. If the Merge Layers option is not available, you may choose Flatten Layers instead. Flattening layers combines them into a single, non-editable layer, which is useful if you want to finalize your document. This step is a significant moment in your editing process, as it directly impacts how your PDF will behave moving forward. After making your selection, look for a confirmation dialog. This will typically appear to confirm your action. Once you confirm, the changes will take effect, and you will see the layers updated within the panel. This confirmation step is essential because it ensures that your intended edits are saved correctly. You can take a moment to review the Layers panel to see the merged results. This helps reassure you that the changes have been successfully applied. In conclusion, merging layers in Adobe Acrobat can greatly enhance the usability of your PDF documents. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your layers effectively. Remember, each action contributes to a cleaner, more efficient document. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your future PDF editing tasks.